Cordial saludo, mi nombre es Jennifer Camila Guerrero Rivera, estudiante de la Universidad Nacional Abierta y a Distancia SEA Vitalito, estudiante de Ingeniería Ambiental. En esta sesión vamos a presentar TAX 4, Spiking TAX, Forum and Participation de Inglés 2. En este vamos a presentar mi presentación personal. Hello, my name is Jennifer Camila Guerrero Rivera. I am 24 years old. I am studying environmental engineering at una university. I live with my husband Héctor Fabio Durán and my daughter Montserrat Durán Guerrero. Nice in San Agustín, Huila. I am from Colombia. I live Italito. My parents are Héctor Iván Guerrero and Mireya Rivera. My sister Mayra Caterina Guerrero and my grandfather Eduardo Rivera and Mayra Marina Castro. Tax 4 Spin Tax Forum and Participation. 4 years ago, I was in Santa Marta, Colombia. I traveled with me is like Gisela Montes and Celso Duran, my brother-in-law Oscar Mauricio Duran Montes, my boyfriend Héctor Fabio Duran Montes. When we arrived, we were located in their residence. We loved their near their sea. We went to visit their tourist cities of Santa Marta. The next day, we walked up to visit Barranquilla and Cartagena. From there, we went to Playa Blanca, where we were enjoying the beautiful landscape and his people. We start from there we left for Bogota. From there took TAC transport to head to our city San Agustín, Huila. I have planned to travel to Medellin and fits me students and have a projection to be able to express it in their country as well as to be able to travel with my family. To be able to get a pronouncement to express myself and learn with other people. To be able to hear a whole of the language career and have the pleasure of success. Thank you.